For centuries, humans have believed that growing old is inevitable. Every culture, every civilization, every philosophy has accepted aging as a natural part of life: wrinkles, gray hair, declining energy, and eventually, death, were once considered the unchangeable fate of every human being. But today, modern science is beginning to challenge that long-held belief. Researchers now suggest that aging is not a law of nature, but a biological process. Imagine a world where growing old is no longer a certainty, where humans could maintain youth, vitality, and health far beyond what we ever thought possible. This is not science fiction, it is the logical result of advances in biotechnology, genetics, and artificial intelligence. Laboratories around the world are exploring ways to repair damaged cells, reverse molecular aging, and optimize human biology. To understand how science believes aging could one day be controlled, we must first understand why humans age in the first place. Aging is not caused by time itself. Instead, it is the result of gradual biological changes happening inside the human body at a microscopic level. Every human body is made of trillions of cells. These cells divide, repair, and replace themselves throughout life. But with each division, tiny errors begin to appear. Over time, these errors accumulate inside the DNA. Inside each cell are mitochondria, often called the power plants of the body. They generate the energy required for cells to survive and perform their functions. As the body ages, mitochondrial performance declines. Less energy is produced, cells become weaker, and organs begin to slow down. This loss of energy is directly linked to fatigue, muscle weakness, and reduced physical performance. Aging also affects the body's repair systems. When we are young, the body repairs damage quickly. Inside each cell are mitochondria, often called the power plants of the body. They generate the energy required for cells to survive and perform their functions. As the body ages, mitochondrial performance declines. Less energy is produced, cells become weaker, and organs begin to slow down. This loss of energy is directly linked to fatigue, muscle weakness, and reduced physical performance. Aging also affects the body's repair systems. When we are young, the body repairs damage quickly. This understanding has changed how science views aging. Instead of seeing it as an unavoidable fate, researchers now see aging as a technical challenge, one that can potentially be managed, slowed, or modified. If damage can be detected early and repaired efficiently, the effects of aging could be dramatically reduced. At Bio-Inspire Tech, we explore these biological insights because they represent the foundation of future longevity technologies. By understanding how the human body breaks down. For decades, aging was considered irreversible. Science believed that once the body began to decline, there was no way back. But in recent years, this belief has started to change. Quietly, inside laboratories and research centers around the world, science crossed a critical line. Researchers began to observe something unexpected. Under specific conditions, aging-related damage inside living systems could be slowed down, and in some cases, partially reversed. Cells that were once functioning poor. One of the most important discoveries came from understanding how cells respond to stress and damage. Scientists found that aging is closely linked to how well cells repair themselves. When repair mechanisms were enhanced, cells regained strength and stability. This revealed a powerful insight: aging is not a single process, but a collection of biological failures that happen over time. Another breakthrough involved cellular reprogramming.